Hi and welcome to BLAU Parts. This is a product overview on our 2-liter TDI oil change kit. This oil change kit includes 5 liters of the VW Beetle 5W30, a MALA original oil filter, and a drain plug. VW Beetle carries formal approval from Volkswagen for the 50700 oil quality standard. This is the only oil specification that should be used in your TDI. If you don't specifically see the oil specification on the bottle, you shouldn't use the oil. What really sets this oil apart from others is the Clean Sinto technology. What does this mean? Simply put, it's a superior quality 100% fully synthetic base oil, and it features a highly advanced additive package. When compared to other synthetics on the market, you'll notice a much quieter running engine, reduced deposit and sludge buildup, and an improvement in fuel mileage. Many of our customers have reported an improvement in fuel mileage of anywhere between 4 and 8% when using this oil in their 2-liter TDI. And that's just a few of the many features of the VW VMP. Our kit also includes a MALA original oil filter, which comes with the necessary O-rings and seals. MALA is an official OE manufacturer and refuses to sacrifice when it comes to quality. This filter uses the identical materials, capacity, flow rates, and construction as an original filter. We also include the drain plug in our oil change kit, which is the identical design as the original with the built-in sealing washer. So that's an overview on our 2-liter TDI oil change kit. If you have any questions on our BLAU oil change kits, feel free to give us a call or visit our website at blauparts.com. Thanks for watching.